If Steam is showing error 73, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to walk you through a simple fix step by step. This is the kind of issue that can happen when Steam doesn't fully close in the background, or when a startup setting causes conflicts after a restart. The good news is that you can usually clear it up pretty quickly, and you do not need any advanced tools to follow along. So if this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech fixes just like this one. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Steam on your computer. In the top left corner, click Steam, then click Settings. This is where we're going to change one important option that helps prevent Steam from running into this error again. Once the settings window opens, go to the interface section. In interface, look for the option that says Run Steam when my computer starts. If that box is checked, uncheck it. This step helps make sure Steam does not launch too early or get stuck loading in the background when your PC starts up. Now click Steam in the top left corner again, and this time choose Exit. This is important because we want to fully close Steam instead of just minimizing it. A lot of Steam issues happen because the app is still partially running, even when it looks like it's closed. After exiting Steam, we're going to make sure every background Steam process is completely stopped. Press Ctrl, Shift, and Escape on your keyboard to open Task Manager. If Task Manager opens in compact mode, click More Details so you can see the full list of running processes. Now look through the Processes tab and find anything related to Steam. You may see Steam Client Bootstrapper, Steam Client webhelper, or just Steam itself. End all Steam processes one by one. This is a very important step because it clears out any stuck background task that might be causing error 73. Once all Steam processes are ended, restart your PC. A full restart gives Windows a clean slate and helps reset anything that may have been stuck in memory. After your computer turns back on, open Steam again and try launching it normally. In many cases, Steam error 73 will be gone at this point, and everything should load properly. If Steam still gives you trouble, go back and double check that Steam is not set to run automatically at startup, and make sure there are no lingering background processes left open. It's also a good idea to keep Steam updated and make sure Windows is fully up to date, because older software versions can sometimes create strange launch problems. But for most users, simply turning off Startup Launch, fully exiting Steam, ending the background processes, and restarting the PC is enough to fix the issue. So to recap quickly, open Steam, go to Settings, open Interface, uncheck Run Steam. When my computer starts, exit Steam, open Task Manager, end all Steam processes, restart your PC, and then open Steam again. That's the complete fix. If this video helped you out, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want more quick Steam troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.